What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video we are going to talk on a new, which is the last data structure or data type that we are going to discuss on, which is a set. So what's a set? A set are sets, let's say in general, sets are simply unordered collection of unique objects. So set are unordered collection of unique objects. So let's say, for example, when we enter in our console, let's say we create my set, and in it we assign a value. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now sets are initialized using the curly braces like in dictionaries, but here we don't use the keys to get the value. So here sets are defined as such. And now if I try to return my set here, so here we are having a new set which contains 5 values, 5 items, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now as we said, sets are basically unordered collection of unique objects. So when we talk about unordered collection of unique object, it means it doesn't contain redundant values. So in big terms, we can say that set doesn't have duplicate values and they are unordered, which means if we try in several attempts to return our set, the order can change. It can be, I don't know the number of times, but I think as they said, unordered means it can change in a certain period of time. So it doesn't have an index, because set doesn't even support indexing. Like for example, in this my set, let's say we want to return my set like in list or arrays, my set 0. Here we get an error where here Python says that set object is not subscriptable, which means it doesn't support indexation. So as set does support indexation, what can we do for us to grab like an item from our set? So like basically in dictionaries we were using a method where we will try to check if the value is found in our bookshelf. For example, let's declare another new set. Let's say our new set, and this new set will contain a value like, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I'm sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, and now for us to grab to see if a value exists, because we can't use indexation, we can't index a value because set, they are all found in a same memory location. They doesn't have indexes that we use to grab the values. So now you use our method that we use in dictionaries, where you try to see if now for example you want to grab the value 4, you write 4 in new set. You want to check if 4 is in new set. So here the value returned here is true, which means 4 really exists in new set. So here is the basic way, or the only method we can use to grab values from our set. And now as we said, set doesn't contain duplicate values. Now if we try to create a set, or only let's use the same set from let's create another new set, new set 1, or let's override our new set with values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we add another 5 to see if set doesn't really contains duplicate values. So here, if we try to return the value of our new set, so here we see our new set contains only 5 values, although here we have written 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double 5, the duplicate of 5. So set doesn't have duplicate. Everything has to be unique in set, so everything has to be unique. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to stop here, and let's come back in the next video for the set method. There we are going to discuss more on set method. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.